Hi, I am Kavipriya.
I am Priyanka.
This video is based on TCS Inframind contest, and the constraint solution is obtained about the networking problem statement. The requirement is to provide network setup for an IT company located in Mumbai which is planning to establish its new office in 4 different locations: Chennai, Delhi, Pune, and Hyderabad. The network architecture is designed based on the number of local hosts required for each location separately and are provided with internet connectivity. They either need wide area network or multi-protocol label switching to create virtual private networks. The Wi-Fi is facilitated in the Mumbai, which acts as hub location in the new setup. This is the current architecture for the G-Tech IT company. It is located in Mumbai and there are 100 employees are working within that organization. The network connection has been established from the primary location, Mumbai, to each of its destination areas. More chances of benefit have been gained by communicating different computers, and collaboration can be obtained by sharing of information for easy interaction. The network allows greater mobility while maintaining same level of productivity, and data protection can be attained, and they are vital to back up the computer data on an offsite server. The Mumbai office setup uses different components. The components are routers 1841 are multi-port devices with high-speed backbones which are provided the current location setup. A small hardware device called switch used centralizes communications among multiple connected devices in one local area network. Switch 2950 is a device that channels incoming data from any of multiple input ports to specific output port that will take the data towards its intended destination through temporary connection for an exchange between two or more parties. Network switches are also referred as switching hubs or bridging hubs or MAC bridges, while the corporate switches typically support between 32 and 128 connections. A router may create or maintain a table of available routes and their conditions and use this information along with distance and cost algorithms to determine the best route for a given packet. Each switch is connected with 20 local hosts, and the server switch has established connection with the DB server and file server, also for backup server. An ISP, Internet Service Provider, is an organization that provides service accessing using the internet. They may connect to a larger network and become part of their network. Internet link with 10 Mbps is provided in Mumbai between wide area network router and Cloud PT Internet Service Provider. A Wi-Fi router connected with the laptop in order to provide internet connectivity, which in turn determines the next network point to which a packet should be forwarded. The customer edge router is located on the customer premises that provides an Ethernet interface between customer LANs and provider's core network. The MUM router may access the OS software and router board hardware, which is an intermediate between Wi-Fi router and the internet service provider. Each switch in the primary connection are connected with 20 local hosts, and those PCs are also used for various purposes like marketing, testing, HR, and also for backup.
The technology we used for this problem is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. The DHCP provides an automated way to distribute and update IP addresses and other configuration information on a network. DHCP allows you to manage network's IP addresses, scopes, and other TCP IP settings like DNS, default gateway, etc. from central place. This central place is called as DHCP server. DHCP server provides safe and reliable configuration of IP addresses and also provides reduced network administration.
How does DHCP works? We have two PC, a switch and a router. They are connected in order to work with an IP address. A broadcast message is sent from host A and those messages sent to host B through connected devices. This is one known to be DHCP discover. Step 2. DHCP offer. When the DHCP server gets the message, the router provided with configuration sends offer to host A and host B. The host A is connected with the host B and how they are connected to become a network. Step 3. DHCP request sent from host A to the other devices. DHCP request messages from the client. The configuration process enters its final phase. Step 4. DHCP acknowledgement. DHCP sends the IP address to the host along with the subnet mask for the DHCP acknowledgement to the host.
Multi-protocol label switching virtual private network. MPLS VPN provides MPLS-enabled IP networks for Layer 3 and Layer 2 connectivity. MPLS VPN is a flexible method to transport and route several types of network traffic using an MPLS board. And the MPLS uses a solution that integrates both IP routing control and data link switching. The MPLS architecture separates the control and data planes. It directs data from one node to the next node based on the short path labels rather than long network addresses for avoiding complex lookups. The multi-protocol BGP is required in the cloud to utilize the servers, which increases complexity of design and implementation. Business increase their spread to multiple offices across multiple locations, spanning cities. The need for cost-effective, reliable, and secure network solutions become a virtual private network or VPN allows businesses to connect through multi-protocol label switching technology or MPLS over secure lanes and tunnels on a network, that too dedicated to your business's private use. Our MPLS VPN solutions helps to connect remote offices and even people to move. It helps prioritize certain types of informations and even transport the information directly to correct destination. Your network will be protected against external screening and strengthened against external attack and even support wireless access. The architecture for problem statement is designed by connecting four different locations with the primary location using MPLS cloud, which act as a backbone network. P1 and PE2 are the border gateway routers which manages how packets are routed across the internet through exchange of routing and reachability information between edge routers. The provider router 2811 is connected with the MPLS customer edge router for each location using the open shortest path first configuration with additional ports. The customer edge router 1841 exchanges routing information with its provider edge router, and the Wi-Fi router WRT300N performs the functions of router. It takes the data and converts into radio signals which are then picked up the devices with Wi-Fi capability. And the internet service providers are provided in Mumbai and Chennai locations and that are shared to all the sites. So all the sites have internet facility. Cisco Firewall ASA 5505 is a network security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. The Microtic User Meeting, where router acts as a OS software and router board hardware which is an intermediate between Wi-Fi router and internet service provider. A core L switch is introduced to maintain connection with each one of the switches and routers to it. The MPLS customer edge router is provided to develop connection with the MPLS customer edge routers in different locations. The demonstration for the working model is The solution has been designed according to the requirements provided for the problem statement. The scalability of the network was increased with the achieved cost saving. Redundancy can be obtained by ensuring network availability in case of network device or path failure and unavailability. Network security targets on threats and stop them from entering or spreading on network.
Thank you.